Assalamualaikum, my name is Khizar Yaiwal. I'm from Round School Kering campus. I'm the student of foundation class. तो आज हम इंटरव्यू करने हैं और आज के जो हमारे चीफ गेस्ट हैं वो है बिलाल इनोवेशन वाला। तो बिलाल, सबसे पहले तो आप मुझे अपना एक छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन दे दें।
Assalamu alaikum everybody. My name is Bilal Innovation Wala और आज I am a motivated and hardworking person who enjoys learning new skills and taking on challenges. I have been improving my communication, teamwork and problem solving online course. I recently completed a course from Yan School Foundation where I gained valuable valuable knowledge and practical skills. I always try to stay calm and in any situation, stay positive and work responsibilities on time. I am excited about this opportunity because I want to gain professional experience, contribute to the company, and continue growing both personally and professionally.
ओके बिलाल, सो मेरा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपसे ये है कि व्हाट इज़ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस?
Okay, then artificial intelligence or AI is a branch of a computer science that enables machines and computers to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. These tasks include learning more experience, solving problems, understanding language, recognizing images making, and decisions, and even playing games. AI systems use data and algorithms and to improve their performance over time. Today, AI is used in smartphones, hospitals, schools, banks, online shopping, and transportation. Popular example include virtual assistants, chatbots, and recommendation system. AI is people live and changing the way people live and work by making many tasks faster, easier, and more accurate.
ओके, तो बिलाल मेरे आपसे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये है कि वाई इज़ ए आई इम्पॉर्टेंट?
AI is important because it helps people solve problems more quickly and efficiently. It can process huge and efficiently. It can process huge amounts of information in a short time, helping business, doctors, teachers, and scientists make better decisions in healthcare. AI helps detected disease early in education. It provides personalized learning for students in transportation. It improves traffic management and supports self-driving vehicles. AI tools people to focus on more creative and important work as technology and important work as technology continues to grow. AI will play an even bigger role in improving our daily lives.
ओके, सो बिलाल, अब आप मुझे बताएं कि व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ ए आई?
Okay, AI offers many benefits. It can work continuously without getting tired, increasing productivity and saving time. It reduces human errors, and it redu- AI performs dangerous tasks in industries such as mining and disaster response, improving in safety. It helps doctor diagnose disease, assist farmer in monitoring crops, and provides customer support. Online shopping by recommending product based on customer preferences. Overall, all AI increases efficiency, saves costs, and supports innovation across many industries.
Okay, Bilal, very good. So now tell me that. So what are the disadvantages of AI?
Also, Although AI has many advantages, it also has some disadvantages. Developing AI system can be expensive and require skilled professionals. AI many may replace some jobs, may automating routine work, creating employment challenges. AI system depend on high quality data, and if the data is incorrect or biased, the result may also be inaccurate. AI can't understand emotions or think creatively like human. There are also concerns about privacy, security, and the ethical use of AI. Therefore, AI should always be used responsibly and under human supervision.
Okay, so Bilal, now tell me that where is AI used?
AI is used in many areas of everyday life. In healthcare, it helps doctors diagnose disease and discover new medicines. In education, AI-powered learning platforms help students study according to their individual needs. Banks use AI to detect fraud and improve customer service. Online shopping website recommended products based on customer interests. Navigation apps use AI to suggest the fastest routes. Social media platforms use AI to recommended content and filter harmful material. AI is also used in agriculture, manufacturing, and experiment, robotics, and significant research.
ओके बिलाल, वेल डन। तो अब मैं आपसे मिलता हूँ 1-2 मिनट के ऐड के बाद। अल्लाह हाफिज़। लगना अब ऐड गया। पाँच मिनट होता ही नहीं है। 5-6 मिनट का डाल दो। बोल के फिर भाग के उसको डाल कर दी तो पानी में। 25 मिनट का करोगे तो आपने ऐड में जब बचे ना 23 मिनट का ऐड लगा देना। ऐड जैसे खत्म होने वाले ना 10 मिनट पर ऐड भाई सबको अपने दोस्त को भला लो, शेयर करके बंदों को सब्सक्राइब कर दो। पानी का जुगाड़ कहाँ से करें? वो तो लाऊंगा पानी भर के ला। माउंटेन ड्यू जाना यार, पानी में इंसान भी नहीं कर सकता। क्या गुंडा बनेगा? क्या गुंडा बनेगा? क्या गुंडा बनेगा? कहाँ से मिलेगा? मुझे दिखा कर आ जाएगा। सामने वो तो सामने का आंटी यार भेज देना पकौड़ा। पकौड़ा है ना, 3 पकौड़ा लगा। 3 आलू के दो। बट माइक तो ऑफ है। ओके बिलाल, वेलकम बैक टू। अब आप मुझे बताएं कि कौन सा, हाँ, कैन ए आई रिप्लेस ह्यूमंस?
AI can perform many tasks efficiently, especially repeatedly and data-based work, but it can't completely replace humans. Humans have creativity, emotional empathy, moral values, and critical thinking, which AI can't fully replace. AI should be viewed as a tool that help people work better rather than replacing them. In the future. Humans and AI will likely work together, combining human intelligence with machine efficiency to achieve better results.
ओके बिलाल, सो अब आप मुझे बताएं कि वेयर इज़ द फ्यूचर ऑफ एआई?
And the future of AI is very bright. AI is expected to become more advanced and useful in fields such as healthcare, education, transportation, agriculture, and scientific